What is up to my Bree gang? What is up to my Bree squad? It is your girl Bree here, and I am back with another freaking video. If you are new to my channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. But if you're already a part of the Bree gang, thank you so much for tuning in for another freaking video, you guys. I know you can see from that title that I have got me some Sonic today, y'all. Once again, I'm starving. I did just get off work. I've been fasting through the day, y'all. So I done went to Sonic and I done bought up some stuff on this menu. Some people threw out some stuff that I should try, so that's what I did, y'all. All of my breeding gang, make sure you go ahead and smash that like button. Make sure you go ahead and hop down those comments and let me know how your day has been. My day was all right, long as heck, as usual. So if you want to see me smash on this Sonic, stay tuned. All right, you guys, so starting with my drink, I have an ocean water slush. It's just a little medium size. I tasted it. It ain't really hitting on nothing. So I did also get me a bottle of water. I don't know what's going on with Sonic. They tripping. It's okay, but it's normally busting a lot better than that. Now, y'all, I went up there and got me a chili cheese dog. This is what I normally get when I go. I normally get the foot long, but I got the small one today, so I got me a chili cheese dog. Yes, yes. I got me a corn dog, y'all. Sure do. Sure do. Got me a burger. I don't know what this burger called, y'all. I just know it's a beef burger. You got some lettuce, some tomatoes, some cheese, some pickles, and I'm gonna smash it. All them veggies on there. So I got that. Of course, I got me some fries, some medium. Then, y'all, I got me some dessert. Okay, having Taco Bell yesterday made me want to get some dessert, and my coworker, shout out to you, girl, because you know who you are. She keeps telling me to try these fried Oreos. I've never had fried Oreos before, so I got me some, y'all. This is how they look if you ain't never had any. You never had a fried Oreo, this is how it look, y'all. And I'm nervous. I want to smell it because I'm just like, how is that going to taste? Like, people keep telling me to try them, especially my coworkers, so I'm going to go ahead and try them. So, y'all, I'm going to go ahead and jump right on in. I ain't really got much to say. I'm hungry. I'm going to eat. I'm going to smack. And that's just what's going to go down. So let's go ahead and dig in. Yes, I eat my chili dog with a fork. Put this to the side right now. That's what I'm starting with, y'all. Maybe I should pick it up with my hand this time. And I also normally dip my fries on top of it. Oop, come here. On top of my chili cheese dog. On my napkins. I do eat mustard on my corn dog, so I got that. Hope everybody's day has been good. I had a long day, y'all, like every day, but today was actually a good day, y'all. It was a real good day. I've really been praying a lot, focusing on manifesting things that I want, and a lot of things have been coming to pass for me, y'all. Like, I kid you not, stuff that I've been asking for and meditating on, coming to pass. Want fry? Had a good sparkle of fry, y'all. But she's staring at me like she's crazy. Yeah, I didn't I didn't order her. I don't know if y'all know what I'm talking about, but I didn't order her a new dog cage. The kind of like an end table. A lot of y'all don't know, but Sparkle's cage is in the garage on the first floor. She sleeps in the house. When I'm home, she's out. But when I go to work, I put her in that cage. I'm just getting tired of my baby being down there. And I kind of feel like, don't do that. I gave you some. You should be happy. But anyway, I'm tired of her being down there, y'all. And when it gets hot in the summer is coming real fast. It's cool now still, but it's gonna be hot. I don't want her down there hot, cause like I wouldn't want to be in the garage hot. Shoot, I don't care if she's a dog or not. That's my baby. I don't want her to be down there like that. During this past winter, it got real cold and stuff. Luckily, the days it got real cold, I stayed home, so I could be, she could be inside, but I don't want her freezing and stuff. So I ordered her one of those. So she'll be locked up inside, but at least she'll be in the house. So if it's cold, she'll be warm. If it's hot outside, she'll be cool. Yes, yes. She's a little brat, y'all. She really is a brat. She's spoiled. When I get myself stuff, I can't get myself something when I get baby girl something. She got a bed in my room. She got a bed in the living room. Just spoiled. Yes, I'm giving her a couple fries, y'all. She don't eat till later, so I know she wants a snack. Them chili cheese dogs good. Obviously, the sauce must have been stuck at the bottom of something, because now I'm starting to taste it. Oh, excuse me. Corn dog. Got that mustard on top, y'all. Yeah. I didn't really like corn dogs too much when I was a kid. But as I got older, I did. I started to like them more. I did them at home, deep fry them bad boys. I used to like them in the microwave. Excuse me. So at one point, I would go to Sonic and give me 2 corn dogs or something. I like corn dogs. Burger got a lot going on. Ooh, that corn dog good. Excuse me. Just a bunch of baby burps, y'all. Fat girl happy dance. That's what that is. That's exactly what that is. Let's see what's going on on top of this burger. Okay. Not too bad. Feel like I had to burp, y'all. Excuse me. Woo. Excuse me. They gonna have to come with it though, because McDonald's got this quarter pounder with the bacon and the cheese. Excuse me. And Whataburger Shell ain't playing no games with their burger. Sonic, y'all better come with it. Come on with it. Okay, y'all. I ain't gonna finish this burger. Cause it ain't all that. I'm about 8 out of my fries. So I guess what I have to do is, I guess I gotta try these fried Oreos. I don't know, y'all. And let me tell y'all something. They call it a ludo or something, a lot of something. They call it something. You can get 3 fried Oreos with some ice cream. The boy brought me my ice cream out there with a cup with no tops. I'm like, oh, I'm sorry, we ran out of tops. Well, I'm not finna eat it right now. I told him, just forget it. I'll just take the fried Oreo. If anything, why y'all didn't put it in a cup with a top on it? Like, improvise, baby, improvise. Cause I still got my spoon. Y'all, I'm nervous. Can I break it apart, y'all? Let me see. This what it look like on the inside, y'all. Y'all ain't never had one. If you had one and you ain't had Sonics, this is how Sonics looks. Fried Oreo, huh? Excuse me, I don't like that. I need to bite this burger just to get the taste out of my mouth. I don't like the fried Oreo. No, no, no. Where the onions at on this burger? I ain't feeling that, y'all. I ain't feeling that. I'm not feeling that. I like regular Oreos, but this right here, My coworker said her son love them. I don't know how you do it, baby boy. Stank, I don't know how you do it. Cause I can't mess with them. No, no, no. Anybody want me? I'm gonna get them. Sparky, you want them? Alright, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video right here. The chili cheese dog was the bomb. The corn dog was the bomb. Of course, the fries was smashing. The burger was okay. And these Oreos, y'all, they was just the epic fail for me. Like, I don't like them, y'all. I'm sorry. Like, get in those comments. Let me know if you like fried Oreos or not. Like, I can't. I had a fried Twinkie, and I thought that was okay. Like, I wasn't even obsessed with that, but that tasted better to me than the fried Oreos. So, look. Get down in the comments. Let me know what you think. Let me know some ideas on some stuff y'all want me to eat, okay? The weekend coming up. I got nothing but time. I'm thinking about doing some breakfast on Saturday or something, y'all. Let me know what y'all thinking. Let me know what y'all thinking. Get in those comments. Let me know how your day went, okay? Smash that like button. Share this video. You guys share this video. And I'm going to see you in my next freaking video. Bye.